Today, we're going to talk about things you can do to start preparing for disasters and emergencies. Now, when most people think about preparing for disasters and emergencies, they think about extreme scenarios like the apocalypse, World War III, or some cataclysmic event like a major earthquake in California. But there actually are more common everyday situations that you should be preparing for right now, and those things include job loss, unexpected emergencies, and even storms that might cause flooding or extended power outages. So, let's talk about 3 basic things you can do to start preparing today. The first thing we recommend everyone does is create a week or 2 worth of food and water in reserve. Now, this food reserve shouldn't be food that you buy, set aside, and never use. This is going to be food that you're constantly eating and restocking on a regular basis as you use it. Also, the water you store can be water bottles or jugs of water. The reason that you want to have a food and water reserve is in case of an event where you can't get to the grocery store. That can be a quarantine situation or conditions where it may be too dangerous due to weather or looting. The second way you can prepare for everyday events is making sure that you have a full gas tank. We recommend that you never let your gas tank drop below half a tank. Now, why would you want to do something like that? In emergency situations like earthquakes, hurricanes, and fires where you need to be evacuated, many people are going to rush to the gas station to fill up. If you're one of those people, you may find that the gas stations are out of gas or there may be ridiculously long lines for gas. So having your gas tank full or reasonably full can prevent those situations and give you some peace of mind. The third way you can prepare for everyday events is by changing your eating habits and living a healthier lifestyle. Some emergencies may require you to run, climb, or even fight to defend yourself. Or, you may have to carry things like a backpack with your preparedness supplies, a child, or an injured person. Living a healthy lifestyle and maintaining healthy habits is like having a disaster preparedness kit. Having healthy habits build a stronger you with a stronger immune system that can fight infections that can rise to a very high level during emergency situations. Helping yourself also helps others because you can contribute to your well-being and the community's recovery efforts after an emergency. These are just 3 basic things that you can do right now that can have a positive effect for almost any disaster or emergency you may encounter. We want to hear from you guys, so leave a comment down below and like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.